Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but if you guys are interested in finding out what I come up with, then just keep on watching. We are going to start with the anti-aging day and night cream. So this is it right here. This is very important. If I wear makeup or not, I still use it. So we're gonna grab just a tiny bit, put it in our face, like so. We are gonna go on with the face primer. Now this one's from Santee. I bought it at the dollar store. And we're gonna put just a tiny amount, probably just like a pea size. I'm gonna put that, rub it on our fingers, tap it on our face, just like so. I am gonna go on with the next product, and this one's by Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So that's what it looks like, and we're just gonna apply just a tiny bit, like so. I don't know if you guys can see it, just a tiny bit. Now, like I said, I have no idea what I'm gonna come up with, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be starting off with 2 pieces of tape. So once the tape has been placed, we are gonna go on with putting some concealer, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Medium Olive. Okay, and this is it. We're gonna put some on my eyes, like so, like so, and I'm gonna use my finger to blend that out. Okay. Alright guys, so moving on with our eyes here. We're gonna start with a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette, and I'm gonna be using the eyeshadow Courtney, this one here, and we're gonna be placing it all over our eyelid. Okay. And now we're gonna grab Expensive, and we're gonna be putting it on the crease. We're gonna grab just a little bit, and we're gonna be putting it right there. Okay, just like so. Okay, and we're gonna build it up from here. Okay, so moving on with the other eye. Starting at the outer corner and blending in, like so. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go in with the other color in the palette, this gold color. I'm gonna grab some, and we're gonna put it right here. Yeah, okay. Okay, moving on. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye, okay? Like so. We're gonna buff this out, okay? We're gonna add tiny bit more of Expensive. And we're gonna start at the outer edge of the eye, and we're gonna move upwards into the crease line and just above the crease, and we're gonna blend. We are gonna blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay. Okay. Now the other eye, starting here, the outer corner of my eye, in the crease and moving in. Alright guys, so now we are going to put some shimmer so we could pop that brow bone. Okay, we are gonna place it right here. Same thing to the other. Right here. Okay. We're gonna continue with the eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the Infallible Flash Cat Eye. It's by L'Oreal. There it is. You guys see it? Okay. And we're gonna do just a very, very thin line here. Okay. Like so. And then bringing it up. Okay guys, so now that the eyeliner is done, I am gonna be moving on and putting my eyelashes. Now I don't have the actual number of the lashes, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. And this is how they look like, okay? That's how they look like. Now I'm gonna pop these on and I will be right back. Alright guys, so now that we have the lashes on, I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. We're gonna go in with Expensive. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other eye. We're gonna go in with the gold color. And we are going to place it right here. And the same thing with the other eye. Alright, just like so. Kind of blending the two together. Alright guys, now that the eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with my face. We primed and we moisturized at the beginning of this video, so now we're moving on with foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the number 130 Buff Beige. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing 2 pumps of that, and I'm also gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear, okay, in the number 490. Now this one I'm only gonna use 1 pump of that. Okay, so now that we have mixed those 2 foundations together, I'm gonna apply like so. Now that I have applied my foundation, I am going to be baking, okay? Put some there. Get those creases around the nose. Okay. On this side now. Around the nose. Smile lines. And in the forehead. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with the blush, and I am using the CoverGirl blush in shade 590 Soft Mink. We're gonna put that in the apple of our cheeks, and we're gonna do circular motion. Okay, and I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and I believe it's in the shade, I don't know what shade this is, but I will figure it out for you guys and I'll put it in the description box. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that glow? Okay. Put some right here. A little bit on the nose. On the Cupid's bow. Okay. Alright guys, one more thing I forgot. For this look, I'm adding eyeliner on my waterline, and I am using the Maybelline Blackest Black 171. Okay, it's this little pot. So I'm adding it on my waterline. Okay, as well as my top. Okay guys, so to finish off this look, I'm gonna go on with my lips, and I'm gonna be using this lip liner from Santee called Earth Tone. This is it right here. Okay, I'm gonna be outlining my lips, and I'm gonna fill them in. Okay, so the gloss that I'm going to be using is from CoverGirl, and it is called, it's the color 620. Okay, this one. Alright, we're going to apply it everywhere. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so this is the end result. This is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my first video. I promise I will get better. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.